everyone, Danara here with Sip and DIY. So today I'm very excited because I am going to be posting a series of DIY projects that are made with the Hot Wheels race car tracks, Hot Wheel tracks, track system. So these that we're all familiar with at the Dollar Tree. I had a couple of ideas about how I can sort of make larger projects with these, and I've come up with a way that I am really excited about, and I'm hoping you guys will be too. And I am also hoping that you will share, subscribe, like the video, and what else can I say? Let's get to it. Have a great one, guys. Bye. Hi guys, so what did you think? So here's the deal. I have another video that's coming out that's going to showcase how to strengthen the shelf if you want to put something heavy on there. The first video I did that you just watched is really for if you're going to be putting lightweight things on the second shelf. But I do have a way to reinforce that second shelf so that you can put heavier things if you're going to put it in the kitchen, like fruits and vegetables and things like that, or perhaps maybe even in a bathroom with like shampoos or something like that. Also, for these tracks, can't even think of the name of them. If you can't find the Dollar Tree, the wooden rulers, there is also another way in which you can reinforce these. Those will be on the next video as well. There's just so much that I need to sort of pack into different videos that I couldn't just pack everything into one video because it would sort of be overwhelming, because it's been overwhelming for me. So wanted to just let you guys know that more videos are coming. Make sure you are subscribed, and don't forget to hit the notification button, bell, wherever it is, so that you can make sure that you will receive a notification when I post the next video. In the meantime and in between time, guys, have a great one. Thanks. Bye-bye.